As part of ease of doing business, CBIC has been spearheading the digital era of India by automating all manual processes involved in customs clearance. In this direction, CBIC has taken up the automation of processes of participating government agencies involved in customs process which do not have their own IT setup. To begin with, issuance of LPCOs by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has been automated. The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology issues concessional customs duty certificates and CRO exemption certificates to the exempt trade to avail tariff and non-tariff benefits in customs clearance. Traditionally, applications were submitted using paper-based forms which were processed through an e-office system. Once approved, the certificates are issued manually to the applicants. CBIC has digitized this whole process for MeitY by introducing ACE, Automation of Certificate of Exemption, a fully automated system for users involved in green energy generation. Now, submission of applications by trade users and processing of CCDC and CRO exemption applications by MeitY officers will be done online directly through Swift portal within IceGate. Let's begin with the trade users' journey for filing applications under MeitY. Specifically, the CCDC and CRO exemption certificates. Step 1. Login and navigation. Users log in to the IceGate portal with their IceGate credentials. After successful login, select the Swift widget, then click on LPCO and choose MeitY as the participating government agency. Step 2. Filing the CCDC application. To apply for a concessional customs duty certificate, CCDC, click on Apply New CCDC. Fill in details across key sections like manufacturer information, production and consumption data, and demand forecasts. Upload relevant documents and declare the authorized signatory. After verifying all entries, digitally sign and submit the form. You'll receive an application reference number. Status tracking, query responses, and certificate downloads are all available directly from your dashboard. Step 3. Filing the CRO exemption application. Select Apply New CRO. Provide applicant and product details, including origin, intended use, and exemption justifications. Respond to applicable questions for imports related to exports, explosive use, or government agencies. Upload documents and complete the authorization declaration. Finally, digitally sign and submit the form. Certificates, once approved, can be downloaded from the CRO dashboard. All uploaded documents must be digitally signed with a single DSC per document. For support, contact the IceGate Help Desk.